Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make baked beans from a can. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need one 28-ounce can of your favorite baked beans, plus any additions you like. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your beans cook evenly and get that perfect texture. Finally, prepare an 8x8-inch baking dish. A light spray of cooking oil will prevent sticking and make cleanup easier. Now, let's talk about boosting that flavor. For a classic sweet and savory profile, add about 1/4 cup of brown sugar to your beans. If you want a deeper, richer taste, stir in 2 tablespoons of molasses. And for an irresistible smoky kick, mix in 1/2 cup of chopped, cooked bacon. These additions truly elevate the dish from good to absolutely amazing. Once your beans are mixed with all those delicious additions, pour them into your prepared baking dish. Spread them evenly to ensure consistent heating. Place the dish in your preheated 375-degree oven and bake for 30 to 40 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they're bubbly around the edges and slightly thickened. After baking, let them rest for about 10 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Here are a few extra tips and variations to make your baked beans even better. For a subtle tangy kick, try adding 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard to the mix. If you're looking for a vegetarian option, simply omit the bacon and instead add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika for a similar depth of flavor. These small changes can make a big difference. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade baked beans.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.